Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the service account and password. Incorrect credentials often trigger 1067. Once verified, check Event Viewer for the exact error message and timestamp to pinpoint the failing module. Next, stop the SQL Server service cleanly and backup configuration files and the registry keys related to MS SQL Server because you will modify them. Do this now so you have a rollback. These steps prevent data loss and prepare you for targeted fixes. Once done gathering logs, run SQL Server. Exe directly from the instance bin path to see live startup errors. This reveals missing files or permission denials. If output implicates the service account, temporarily switch startup to local system to confirm it starts. Then you will know it's an account or permission problem. If you see master database corruption, restore master from backup or use rebuildum. Exe if necessary. These diagnostic actions isolate and fix the root cause. To finish, reapply the correct service account credentials and grant only the required permissions on file folders and registry keys. Excessive rights are unnecessary. Restart the SQL service and verify it starts cleanly, then recheck Event Viewer and SQL error logs for confirmation. If the service still fails, create a process dump, capture the SQL server. Exe output and escalate with those files. One key tip: if you change accounts, make sure the account also has log on as a service, right? Missing that is a common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.